today we are doing a hidden winch mount on a Jeep WK, and we've already removed the bumper. We're trying to take off the temperature sensor. This is the one that displays on the dash, and then once we do that, we're going to cut this here and here, remove the tow hooks, and then we will install it. We're about to bolt this up now.
Alright, right now we got it loosely installed in the front. And what you're about to see us do, we're about to come under here and we're going to drill these 2 bolts back here into the frame so we can bolt those up for the winch mount plate as well. But it lines up, you just got to cut it really well.
Right, so these 2 bolts, there was no place for them, so we drilled the holes for those and then put the bracket in here and tightened it down, and had to drill another hole in here at the back, reinstalled these. So had to bend these out because this used to come down and come like this way, so we had to straighten those out for that to fit back. And all that's left is to install a winch and wire it up.
And this is the temperature sensor. We are just gonna zip tie it or bolt it onto another bolt, so it'll be reinstalled, but you do have to take it loose from the bumper. And once we get the bumper ready to go back on, we will need to drill or cut the holes in the bumper so that the hooks, etc., can come out.
For some reason I have the worst luck ever. After I do something, my Jeep messes up in some other kind of way, and this is totally my fault. But here's the next day when I finally cut the bumper enough to get it to work with the CRD, because the intercooler sticks out further. And here's the very next day when I wreck my Jeep and I destroy the $600 hidden winch mount we installed. Now the frame itself, I'm not too sure how off it is. I do know that the hidden winch mount basically ripped through the front, and if it would have been a little bit longer it would have went into the engine, but it stopped right at the serpentine belt, so I got lucky in that regard. But we do plan on fixing